Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to change your email on Blue Sky. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Blue Sky. Then you can see there are many options. Click on 3 vertical lines at top left corner. Then you can see there are many options. Click on Settings. Then click on Account option. You can see there are many options. Click on Change Email. Then click on Request Change. Then click on your email bar. Then remove your current email. Then add there your email which you want change on Blue Sky. Then click on Request Change. Finally guys, in this way, you can easily change your email on Blue Sky.